Hi, this is Jeana at Art of Skincare, and today I want to take a quick minute to show you my evening routine this summer for treating my skin. My main goal throughout the summer is to really feed and nourish my skin, keep my skin barrier really healthy, as well as minimize any dark pigmentation that my skin likes to collect on my cheekbones and areas. If I get in here close, you can see where I get my little dark pigmentation areas. I also get a lot of uneven pigmentation on my neck and on my chest. So in the summertime, this is the routine that I like to do. The first thing that I do is I grab the Foaming Peptide Cleanser from Rhonda Allison and wash my face. This is going to be my evening routine. Then I grab my Brightening Pigmentation Lotion from Rhonda Allison. This is part of her Pigmentation Solutions collection. So I'm going to get a bit of that now. I'm using it on our 2-inch toner pads. And I adore this toner. Highly recommend it to anyone who struggles with getting dark pigmentation anywhere on their face or their body. Okay, once I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab from Rhonda Allison her Natural Mega Brightening Serum. This is also part of the Pigmentation Solutions collection, and this I'm going to spot treat with. So this serum I am just going to put on the areas where I get that dark pigmentation building up, mainly on my cheekbones, the top of my nose. Some people get the top of their lip. The other area I get a lot of pigmentation is on my neck and chest. So I'm going to treat those spot areas. I'm going to use a little Pigment, tap it into those areas, and then I'm going to grab the Mvc Serum from Rhonda Allison. This is also in the Pigmentation Solutions collection. This is a multivitamin serum, so it really feeds my skin. It actually even smells like B vitamins. You'll notice it. Then I grab NeoGenesis Recovery Serum because I cannot do without my stem cells. I'll put 2 drops of that in with my MVC, and then I pat that onto my face. At this point, you could use your My Skin Buddy or your Derma Red to infuse it deeper into the skin. I'm going to apply that. It smells so interesting. You have to give it a try and tell me what you think of the scent. Then I finish off with my moisturizer. The moisturizer that I'm using this summer is from Rhonda Allison. It's our Pigmentation Solutions collection, and it's called Brightening Cream Enhanced. So I'm going to grab that. I like to be generous with my moisturizers, so I've got a couple of pumps of that. The scent on this is pretty neutral. It used to have a strong licorice scent, so if any of you used it back a few years ago and you didn't like the scent, it does not have that scent anymore, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's it. That is my nighttime routine for maintaining my skin and minimizing the amount of dark pigmentation that I'm going to pick up this summer. Now, I'm not going to worry too much about my dark pigmentation simply because I'm going to go out, I'm going to have fun, I'm going to live my life, and then this fall I'm going to give you a lot of tips on how I get rid of that pigmentation that builds up over the summer. But this is an excellent maintenance routine. This is a fabulous, my favorite PM routine, and it's what I'm doing right now. So if you want to learn more about this routine, head on over to Art of Skincare, go to our Learn pages and see my latest blog post on my summer skincare routine.